Okay, we're back. And this is going to be the last session for the free webinar series. And in this session, we'll be giving you an 80% winning strategy. And we'll just be using the most simple and very known indicator, which is the MA. So the basics of making money in the Forex market is not how good your strategy is, it's how good you can manage your money. And you're going to see that in this session. So even while your indicator is messing up, but your money management is so tight, at the end of the day, you come out bouncing with a lot of cash. So let's jump right into the metaphor trader. Here we are at Euro USD. So before, I'm just going to reduce the trading terminal and let's go up. Let's just add the ME. So for this trade, all you need is a moving average. You need a 50 moving average. You have it to set to be simple, apply to the close. You can select whatever color you need and click on OK. And that's it. Remember our first session, I taught you how to zoom out and I taught you how to select the candlestick type. So this is a very simple strategy, but I would love you to use it in the 4 hours time frame or the 1 hour time frame. If you're using it on the 1 hour time frame, currently it reduces the percentage of winnings to 60%. You won't have an 80% win rate because you're trading on the 1 hour time frame. It gives you a lot more trades and you make little money. But when you're trading on the 4 hour time frame, gives you little trades and it makes you a whole lot of money. So we actually add this trade to somewhere here, over 2,600 pips, and we made a lot of money that could suffice for the rest of the year for us. And that's the ideology of how you should learn how to trade. Remember, I said the secret, number one, is to be able to catch a trend. Number two is to be able to manage your money. So number two has been simplified for you by using the Trader. Those of you who don't know what Trader is a money management software. It helps you manage your trade. You can head directly to mmtrader.dev to get the software, mmtrader.dev. This is the website, so you don't get scammed with other softwares. Make sure you go to mmtrader.dev. It's very cheap. It's just $70. For those in Nigeria, it's a 50,000 naira. We have a lot of requests from Nigeria. Some traders are now profitable and we are making a lot of money. So we have to add Nigerian naira so they can pay naira so cheap. And with that, you have your money management covered. And now you have to have a system that catches trend because trend is the money. So what the money management software will do for you is that, let's take a look at what the chart is did previously at this point. Let's say we are currently here and we want to take a trade. So we'll put up a crosshair. Now the secret to this is that we look at the market forming above the MA. That's when we take our buy trade. And when the market is forming below the MA, we take our sell trade. So let's start with here. We'll see some couple of field example and some couple of winning example. So, but with the money management Trader, you see how we have changed all those our losses to winners. So, for example, the market has crossed above. We don't care. We want to see it keep forming above. Is it forming? It came down. Did it go up? If it had gone up, we would have taken our trade. The market came down, so the market is forming below. Did it go up? Oh, yeah, it go up. Did it come down? Yeah, it came down. Probably would have taken it straight. Somewhere here, probably a sell trade. And this we would have set our stop loss to somewhere here. So this is over 800 pips. 800 pips, that's a lot of trade. And remember, using the Trader, we can make sure that at these 880 pips or 800 pips thereabout, depending on where you're calling it from. With the Trader, we can set this 800 pips to only lose us $100. You see how sweet it is. And now we're supposed to lose $100. But the market came up and start forming above here, which will close this trade almost at a half point entry. We're supposed to lose $100. We didn't. We lose just $50. So that's $50 loss. And the market went up, it came down. So somewhere around here, we're going to buy and set our stop loss. Probably at the recent low, let's see somewhere here. We use another 80 pips or 800 pips below. And if the market comes down here, we're going to lose $100. And this is where we win. We win, and the market went all the way to probably $2,000. And this is it. So for 800, we're supposed to make, at the end of the day, we're making close to $1,000 on this trade, in trading for a little lot size on it. So you see how the Trader has helped us reduce our losses and even make more money at the end of the day. And also we have this here. So probably the market came down. It wasn't forming. Yes, we have no trade. It went up. We're looking for a next up. It's not forming. So right now we're just on the waiting. This is how this strategy works. Let's go back and look for more trades. Let's look at the worst place ever. This is the worst time. We have made money here. Oh, yes, of course. Let's see what happens. So the market has already started coming up. It came down. It didn't firm down here. It's up. We're waiting. We don't see a new low. We didn't see new low. Came down. We didn't see new low. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting for the market to give us a new high or a new low. I mean, it failed. It came down. It went up. Now somewhere around here, it's forming back, coming back. We could have taken our trade maybe probably here, and would have run in a lot of money, or would have taken it probably here and would have run in a lot of money. So let's just say for this example, we took losses at this point. Let's not say we know what the market is doing. We took a lot of losses. So let's look at it critically. We started trading at this high. We know the market is going up. Once the market crossed, we're looking for the market to retrace and come back, but it crossed above. So right now, we're looking at a buy. Came down. So let's say we're confused. We don't know what's happening. So we get into the market somewhere here. I will place our stop loss below here. So now at this 668 pips, we're supposed to lose $200 from our previous example. And what happened? Did the market get there? No, we made a lot of money. You can see we actually came out of this market profitable. Same thing happened here. The market came, it crossed down. We're looking for another lower low, and it didn't happen. And it went up, so we're not in there. Now we went up, we're looking for a low that we could go and get in the buy. Let's say somewhere around here, we're very curious that we're going to get a buy. And we took the trade somewhere here, or let's say the worst case scenario, we took it here. Where's the previous low? The market came and took us out completely. And we're here, we're looking down for a low, and we enter the trade here. So we've gotten another loss, although we made a lot of money, which is over $500. Let's say, for example, we didn't take that. But when the market was forming up above here, we looked for a trade, and we didn't get a trade. We didn't get a trade till we came here and got a trade. So with this trade, we lost $50. We made approximately $400, and now we made another $1,000 at the end of the day. So you can see how you can consistently make money just using the 50 MA moving average. So let's look at what the market is currently doing. Most of you who are confused already. So we're going to look at couple current market analysis. Right now, the market has crossed the MA. Has it continued forming below this MA? So probably when we get a sell below this line, we will likely take the trade down. So, and the sell should be coming to form a lower low. So probably somewhere here, we'll take a trade. And if not, that means we're ready for a new trade. If the market keeps going up, we'll wait for a little retracement, coming down close to the MA, we take a buy trade and we move ahead. Let's see what we have at GDP USD. You can see the market has crossed at this point. It went up, touched, and as it's coming down somewhere around here, would have taken our trade. And where would our stop loss be? Normally, if it was other traders, their stop loss might be somewhere maybe 100 pips, 200 pips, but we can put our stop loss above the previous high, which is 1,292. An trader will help us calculate our loss. Let's say at this point, when the market reaches here, that's when we're going to lose $200 only, because that's what we set the trader to do. And you see how the market never went there. And even if it had did, it would have crossed up and would have just had a little loss, probably $30 or $50 loss, and we're ready to take the next trade and it takes us out. And boom, we're already down. So we've made another $200 probably around this point. And we're still waiting for the market to give us probably $600-700 because it's a 4-hour chart. And perfectly, you can see how trading the MA and using Trader to manage your accounts gives you more profits and makes you a profitable trader at the end of the day. So it's not about where your stop loss is. It's about how can you know your calculation to put your stop loss so far away that before the market ever hits your stop loss, probably you have gotten another signal to go out and we enter a new trade, and that stop loss did not actually hit you, actually lost a little amount of money. And that's what only Trader can do for you. Or if you have listened to the previous session, you can do the calculation yourself and execute your trade rightly and make money just by using MA. It actually follows the market. It actually follows me. You can see it's following the market up and down. And that is what you're supposed to do as a professional trader. Remember, the two secrets is follow the trend, manage your money. So how are you managing your money in the market? Just buy a piece of software for $70. Trader will do that for you. And I've taught you how to put in the risk calculation, and I've taught you how to use the MA to trade. Easy said, then done. And see you profitable in our next video. And thank you for watching.